Hello, I'm Nick Poulin, and today we're going to take a closer look at an outstandingly restored antique Winchester 1886 deluxe rifle chambered in 4570. Poulin Auctions is teaming up with Winchester Arms Collectors Association to present this antique Winchester 1886 deluxe rifle chambered in 4570. Restoration of this beautiful rifle was performed by Mike Hunter of Hunter Restorations, TimberLuxe stock finishes, and expertly hand-checkered by master engraver Dennis McDonald. It is restored with the original Winchester bone and charcoal case hardening and rust bluing processes as performed by the factory prior to the reception at the Winchester warehouse on November 13th of 1891. The rifle originally left the factory in close to the current configuration, with a rechambering to the more popular 4570 government performed during the restoration. The result is a beautiful deluxe rifle replicating the look and feel of an original 1886. More information about Hunter Restoration is available on their website, MikeHunterRestorations.com. We'll provide the link below in the description. Their services specialize in Winchester and antique firearm restorations, with gun finishings including the case hardening, bluing, rust bluing, charcoal bluing, and niter bluing processes. We have also provided the link below for our TimberLuxe stock finishes. If you're interested in stock finishes, visit their website at TimberLuxe.com. Don't forget to visit Dennis McDonald's website at McDonaldEngraving.com, the link of which is provided below. If you like this video and want to learn more about collectible antique firearms, visit our website at PoulinAuctions.com. And as always, stay safe and send it downrange.